Welcome to Real Estate Investing 101, a beginner's guide. In this comprehensive course, we will provide you with a solid foundation in real estate investing. Whether you're a complete beginner or have some prior knowledge, this course will equip you with the necessary tools and knowledge to make informed investment decisions. Let's dive in. Course objectives. Throughout this course, we have set several objectives to help you succeed in your real estate investment journey. By the end of this course, you will be able to understand the importance of real estate as an investment, differentiate between various investment options, analyze properties effectively, evaluate financing options, identify and mitigate risks, navigate legal and regulatory aspects, develop investment strategies, and plan your short-term and long-term investment goals. Course structure. This course consists of 10 modules that cover essential aspects of real estate investing. We will start with an introduction to real estate investing, exploring different investment strategies, financing options, property analysis techniques, risk management strategies, legal considerations, and much more. Each module is carefully designed to provide you with a comprehensive understanding of the subject matter. Disclaimer. Before we proceed, it's important to note that the information shared in this course is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial or legal advice. Real estate investing involves risks, and it's always recommended to consult with professionals before making any investment decisions. We appreciate your commitment to learning and hope you will find this course valuable. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to this YouTube course to receive more valuable content. Join our community of real estate investors and stay updated with the latest insights and strategies. Your support in spreading the word will help others discover the benefits of real estate investing. Thank you for choosing Real Estate Investing 101, a beginner's guide. We wish you all the best in your future real estate endeavors.